All right. There he is. There you go. Yes, sir.
Now, here's a little story I got to tell about a chick that I fish with oh so well. It started way back in history with that riding reel, 20-pound
Hopefully,
get him.
Let's go. I'm back. What's up, guys? It's your boy Texas Reeling. I know you guys probably, if you're new, you probably don't remember me, but I fish with George here. This is his channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to him. He came out here all the way from Houston to come spend some time with me. I'm taking him out here to some cool spots, some of my private spots. We fished a little bit already this morning. We're about to hit the river, hit another power plant lake, so we're gonna be all over East Texas. And here, I'm gonna hand you guys over to George and let him talk to y'all for a little bit.
Y'all see it, man. That's the man himself, my boy Eddie from Texas Reeling. Hey, man, salute. Thank you
Brother,
for inviting me one more again out on your pond to hook up into some big ones, y'all. He's gonna put me on some fish and show me some of his secret locations. We're gonna keep that on the low. But man, we're gonna get out here and we're gonna rip into some lips. Like he said, we got out there right now, did a little bit of fishing. We're still trying to figure them out, but we will catch some, I guarantee it. That's how we do it, man, around here. So it might take a while, but we're gonna get it done. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop one of these bangers, y'all. So with that being said, we will see you guys on the water. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we're gonna start off with this whopper plopper. Get this little morning topwater bite. It's my first time fishing this wall right here. We're at Lake of the Pines. So I'm gonna see if we can pick off a topwater bite. If not, we're gonna dive right into the crankbaits. But I gotta see if I can get one to come up first. See if we can get one to come up and smash it.
We're all throwing two different things and trying to see what they want.
Trying to figure them out.
Yep.
I'm riding the top. Eddie's cruising down under. See what we can pick off.
Me and George have noticed that there's shad everywhere. I'm thinking there's a shad spawn going on right now. That's what it looks like to me. So, I feel like this tank is nice.
All right, y'all, we chucking and winding. Still trying to figure them out. Next up to bat, we got the Movement 80. The Movement 80. This Movement 80 don't dive too deep though, so I gotta make sure I keep it real close to that rock. As close as I could. Yeah.
Well, let's go try another spot.
I love it when I could just right over them rocks, the little rocks under there.
Yeah, drop it and hit that bottom.
Yes. And then do. There he is. Little guy, but
hey,
he came up, man. We're gonna take him.
First one of the morning.
First one, son.
The spotted bass, nice.
Not bad, huh?
Top of the morning. Like
Top of the morning, baby.
Good stuff. Way to get
Hey,
the stuck out the boat.
We got the first one on there, and I'm gonna tell you like this: if there's one, there's two,
Yeah.
and if there's two, there's a few, baby. So we gonna get to them.
Let's get it.
Oh, yeah, this boy was trying to eat. Boy, then
He thumped it hard.
he thumped it hard, dude. He was going down this. I mean, this hook is in there. There you go. It went straight into his head. Look at that, y'all. First one of the day. Let's keep this going. We got that blood apple for the win. Yeah, there is.
Change my hook out. I ran out of these hammer hooks. I had ordered some. I finally got them in. These are the ones usually you asked me.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the size I usually throw with them big ones.
The 4 out, yeah. That's why there's that. Oh,
Missed them again.
man, I'm over here talking. Ooh.
That was pretty good blow up.
Yeah, it was.
Good mouth on him. Dang it. He had it all the way under. Damn, like a
I
second
seen that.
too. Dang it. Well, I thought it was cool to get a blow up on it finally. See where it kind of curves in like that?
Yeah.
As soon as you get to the curve, it starts to shallow up on through there. Like a shallow flat little rocks on it.
Oh, okay.
Got him.
There he goes.
Finally. Right off the point. Where he's supposed to be.
Yes, sir.
Go, guys. First fish, and it's on the top water. Who would have not been throwing everything else? Decided to throw a little popper on these rocks. Got a blow up, and then I caught this guy.
Sometimes that's all it takes.
Man, I haven't caught a top water in been a while. Thank you very much, my dude. Man. That felt good.
1 and 1.
1 and 1.
It feels good.
Yeah, it does. I've been liking this little popper at the edge of those rocks.
There he is. Oh, he let go. He let go, dude. He hit it though, for sure, no doubt.
What's the smallest fish you caught on one of those?
Probably like,
The smaller one?
probably like the one you just caught right now, maybe a little smaller. Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. There you go. Oh no! You serious, dude? And when they hit this too, you can't mistake it because they just
Especially out here, 'cause there's no water, you know. There's no rocks in the middle of it. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. Come on, don't let me down. Good. Where you at?
okay. You sucked it under.
Yeah. It has to be the same fish. I put it in the same spot. Oh, he's burned the hook.
Oh yeah, hold on. I'm gonna have to start throwing a little pop.
Popper might be the way.
Might be the lick right now,
Right
huh?
off. Of the day, out there with George, catching them on top water, baby.
Yes, yes. Y'all see it, man? That boy Eddie's up too.
Hey.
We out here, man. It's been a slow grind, but it's moving.
Yep.
All right, y'all, what is going down? We are now at our second location. My boy Eddie's getting the boat ready. We're about to back it in. We are at the river right now. We're about to do a little bit of some river fishing around these cypress trees, figure them out, and hopefully we could pull a few more on the boat for y'all. I got one and I think I lost two. And then my boy Eddie caught 2, and he also lost a few. So hopefully we can keep the ball rolling. Man, let's get out there and get it. Come on.
Like it's on demand. One lonely team, 6 at B. Fishing by myself without nobody. The sun is beating down on my boat flips hat. The air is getting hot. I'm searching for a bass. I'm looking for a girl.
There you go.
Got him.
Yes, sir. It feels nice too. I mean, it feels like it.
Look good.
It's running at me. It's coming at me. There you go. Ooh, it looked pretty good. Like at least a 3.
Not that one. Boat flips on. Baby.
Boat flips, baby.
River fishing at its finest. Man, he choked.
Oh, let me make sure I don't get hooked with these hooks, because they are no joke.
Here we go.
Y'all see it, y'all?
That is a good fish.
Good fish. I'm gonna say at least a 3+.
Let's go.
That's what we doing, baby. All right, y'all. We live. We just pulled up to the new location. Whew. What's in his mouth, y'all? One of my favorites. What I tell you, that movement 80 does not play. That erratic wobble. Let me switch hands.
He was supposed to be on the tree.
Right where he was supposed to be. There, that y'all caught him right on the tongue. Pierced that boy's tongue. Your taste buds might be tore for a little bit, my guy. My bad. Man, look at this thing. I love the feeling of that tug, man. I love it. That's what we out here to feel that. Let me go ahead and snap a picture real quick, and we'll get this bad boy back out there. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Second fish of the day. Salute my boy Eddie for putting me on, bringing me to the location, y'all, to where the big boys roam. Let's go and let this fat girl go.
What I'm talking about.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. The star of today's show so far is the movement 80. And man, all I did was cast right around. You see all them, that brush sticking out of the water over there? He was sitting right there. Oh, there was something big right there. I don't know what the hell that was. I'm stuck though. Huh?
Came up.
No, it was right here. I threw it that way, but right here I seen like a whoa. I mean, it could have just been, I don't know. Ooh, bro. That was weird. He's been on there. I thought I was snagged, bro. All of a sudden it started pulling.
You got him?
Yeah, I still got him.
No, he's stuck.
He's stuck. Whoa. Either that or it was stuck, and when I popped it, he hit it, because, bro, I did not feel him on there.
Yeah, he's still on there.
He's still, oh, still on there.
Good one.
He's a nice one.
Oh, your line's rubbing on the back side of that. There he is.
Oh, I can see him.
See your line stuck
Yeah.
on that. There he comes.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, good one.
Go flip.
Get him!
Ah,
Let's go!
yes.
Boy, what a crazy smell.
Man,
Craziness.
that was crazy. Oh, my God. That was a super exciting catch right there.
Man,
I mean, I was snagged up.
that's a good, probably pushing 4 if I had to guess.
Look at this, y'all. Crazy catch right now. I mean, I threw off into this brush right here. I was stuck. I was like, man, you're gonna have to pull me over there. All of a sudden, whew, I felt this slam.
You know, for a second I thought it was a bowfin, because
Yeah.
it looked so big and the way it was
And the way it was swinging around, huh?
crazy.
That's the first thing I thought in my mind. I was like, I wonder if it's like one of these river fish.
You want to weigh him?
Yeah, we can weigh him.
That's a solid fish.
Boy, he ain't playing. A little strong one too.
Yep. So, river for you.
Y'all see it again. I chucked around a few different things. We've been making our way down this whole little river. And man, the minute I picked up the movement, baby, quality fish too.
Whenever you're ready, it's on there. I say
3.5. Holding them, I'm gonna say 4. Hopefully I mean, but holding him, he feel like a good solid 4.
He's thick. It's a thick boy.
$3.15.
315.
1 pound shy of 4, y'all. So my eyeballing game is pretty good. But
That's a solid fish.
solid fish, y'all. One more time.
Heck yeah.
All right, y'all. Let's get this bad boy back to grow another day. Thank you, little mama. Could you do a little dance for me? Do a little dance for me? No? I know, you're mad. All right, y'all.
Solid fish.
That's what it is, man. Let's keep it going. All right, y'all. One more again, coming in clutch. I got snagged right up over here in this brush right over here, and I was trying to pop it free. And I think just by doing that, this thing got an erratic wobble. So I was trying to pop it free, I could imagine, and he saw some free food right there. That was free. Cost him a few hooks in the jaw. We're gonna go ahead and retie and get back out there, y'all. Come on. Well, we wait, we hydrate. Come on, I need that 6. There we go. Yep. Oh, I'm talking about how I need that 6. It ain't the 6, but he's a fish. It ain't the 6 pound I'm seeking. Yes, sir, Bobby. Knocking him down, man. Knocking him. Oh, he's peeing. We have a scared one. Number 4, y'all. Makes number 4.
Oh,
Look at his colors. That's a trip on that side. Look at that.
like a tiger.
He's like, he's missing his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's like a mixed breed.
Got him.
Pebble.
A little hair. Caught one of these hair bass. We call these hair bass. But look, it don't matter. Little guys. Ooh, come on.
They can all get it, huh?
They could all get it. These little bass, they come up to hit it though too. They come and say, hold on, let me get some. right, y'all. 4, 5 of them on the boat. This one is the smallest one, but hey, he counts. Look at them colors on there. Nice little colors.
Yeah, as soon as it hit the water.
Yes.
As soon as it hit the water.
Yes, sir. Boy, Eddie is on. Ooh, I like them nice dark colors it has.
I'm not knocking them dead like George yet, but I don't think it's like that. I'm both knocking them.
All right, y'all. What it is, man, we're going to go ahead and call that a wrap. Super, super fun day. Super exciting. Got on the water with my boy Eddie.
Yeah.
Shout out to that boy Eddie, man. He brought me out here. We went to Lake of the Pines. We ended up on the river. We knocked some good quality fish, man. You guys seen it. I was able to pull them in with the Movement 80. Man, that's what it was. We got out here. It took us a while. We had to figure them out. We grinded it out. But nevertheless, we got fish on the boat. I got a good, I think 5. I think Eddie pulled in a good 6. So overall, we had a good day of about 11 fish on the boat, y'all. So either way, we had fun. And man, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. As always, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.
The sun is
We outta
beating
here.
down on my boat flips hat. The air is getting hot. I'm searching for a bass. I'm looking for a girl. I ran into a buck. He was guarding all his fat when he ran up out of love.